You can use site styles to set background images, fonts, colors, and more. In the Home menu, click Design, and then click Site Styles. Click on any element on your page to view style options for that particular element. To begin, I can scroll down to Typography or click on the text element I'd like to style. You can adjust font, font size, line height, and more. Text can also be styled per paragraph using the format bar within the text editor. Color is a great way to personalize your template. Use the color picker that opens to find the color that you want. Here, you can choose the color as well as adjust the color's shade. To adjust the color's transparency, use the opacity slider by dragging the circle below the color picker. Now I'll fine-tune the layout of my site. I can adjust the header top and bottom padding by using the slider or by entering a numerical value. I'll also change the info page layout from poster to business card. Let us know if you have any further questions. We're always here to help.